A sentence is a group of words which gives a complete meaning is called sentence. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gurukul Shiksha. Today we are going to discuss about the sentence. Let's start. As I told you earlier, definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words. That means two or more than two words come together and form a group that form a meaningful line. That's line called sentence. Now we see the types of sentences. Types of sentences are assertive sentences, and there are two parts of assertive sentences. One is affirmative sentence, there is negative sentence. Second part is interrogative sentences. Third part is imperative sentence. Fourth part is exclamatory sentence. Fifth part is operative sentence. We will discuss one by one further, so keep watching. First we discuss about assertive sentences. Like assertive sentences is also known as statement. We can say if we are reading a statement, so we can say that statement is also known as assertive sentence. These types of sentences gives a sense of facts, action or events. There is a structure like subject plus verb plus object slash complement. In a assertive sentence there is a subject, then verb, then a object. This is a cow. That means we are talking about a particular animal, that is cow, and walking is a good exercise. There is a line, some words are come together and forming a line. We can call this is a sentence. And type of sentence, this line is assertive types of sentences. And now there are two types of assertive sentences, like affirmative sentences and negative sentences. The definition of affirmative sentences is the sentences which accept facts, events and action are called affirmative sentences. All the examples given above are example of affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences, we can say affirmative sentences are positive sentences. There where we can find a positive strength. In the next sentences which do not accept facts, events and action are called negative sentences. That means if we use any no or not in a sentences, that's come under negative sentences. Like example is below. This is not a cow. That means earlier we were talking about a cow, particular cow. Here we are talking about this is not a cow. That means here is no one. It was not raining. That means day was clear, there was not any raining, there was weather was very clear. Okay, like this. Interrogative sentences. Like interrogative sentences are what? If you ask any question to someone, if you ask something else, basically interrogative sentences comes under asking. The structure of these types of sentences, the subject is always followed by verb, and at the end of the sentences question mark is put. At every sentences of interrogative sentences there is a question mark is put in to end the sentences. Such sentences are used to get information. That means interrogative sentences we use to get information, and the words that we use in interrogative sentences are what, which, where, how, why and etc. Placed before a verb, some interrogative sentences are given below. These words are placed before the verb. So some examples are below so we can get understand easily. Is he is an honest man. That means we are asking about a man to someone. Is he is honest or not? May I come in? Going inside any room or any office, we are asking to someone, may I come in? So these are interrogative sentences. Now comes imperative sentences. A sentence that gives a command or gives a request to do something. Sit down and hand me that bowl are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences basically are if you are giving a command to someone, if you are giving a order to someone, that's come under imperative sentences. Like sit down. Teacher says to students, sit down students. That means teacher is commanding the students. Hand me that bowl. You are ordering to someone to hand that bowl to you. Now comes exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence makes a statement that conveys strong emotion or excitement. Exclamatory sentences is basically used for expressing your emotions, like bravo, you have done better. You are cheering that person by saying you have done better. You are expressing your feelings. How bad? She is fail again. You are expressing your feeling about that girl. She is fail again. So you are expressing your feelings, emotions. How bad? She has fail again. And the sign you are seeing here, this called exclamatory sign. Now comes operative sentences. What is operative sentences? The sentences which express a prayer called operative sentences. In a sentence, if you are doing a prayer for someone, that's come under operative sentences. The kind of sentences generally start with may and wish. We can see some examples for better understand. May God bless you. You are praying for someone. May God bless you. Oh, if I were a king. You are thinking that if I were a king. That's come under operative sentences. I hope you have clear your all doubts to regarding the sentences the types of sentences. Thanks for watching. If you are still didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, then give us a subscribe and give your thumbs up. Tell us in comment section how was this video. Thanks for watching.